talk a little bit about the homeowners belonging to a respectable Bengali lineage. They wanted to keep the theme of Bangaliana in their home. At CB Design, as you've seen in most of our other projects, we really pride ourselves in doing work which speak of you, your home, your choices, your personality. So every home is different for us, and it's very important that we give you something that is close to your heart. Keeping that in mind, there are quite a few highlights in this property which bring out that concept of local Bengali rural art. For example, you will see the terracotta tiles at the entrance in the foyer. They are customized, handmade, made to perfection, made to size, just to fit that particular area. In the TV unit, you will see the panels where we have gone for something very different, not the typical panel. We have gone for, the Madhur art, as they call it in Bengal. It's actually, again, chatai with color panel that is on both sides flanking the TV unit in the middle. Also, where I'm sitting now, I would like to tell you a little bit about this room. This was actually a bathroom, an extra room which they didn't need. And when we were doing the layout planning, just in conversation, we were like, can we change this to something else because we don't really need this place? And we came up with this idea of the study area, the study unit. Again, to bring in something different, if you notice the ceiling here, we've got the bamboo, they call it Sheetal Pati, the bamboo art, which again used to be used earlier in rural homes to, you would spray water on it and it used to keep the houses cool. So everything around this property, obviously keeping it functional and modern because it has to be used by people, so it cannot be really traditional. But a lot of new aspects have come in which have brought in that feel of the Bengali style and the Bengali art and culture. Priyanka, my colleague, will be taking you through the rest of the rooms.
We have created the mandir here in the living area. However, we didn't want to block the area and thus created these openable shutters which just glide to the end of the wall and creates a flowing look and doesn't break the space. Also, the homeowners are quite religious and have religious gatherings for which they need an open space in the front. To enhance the dining section, we have done red brick cladding on the back wall matching to the terracotta colors as per the theme. And the 6-seater dining table is beautifully complementing the area. Talking about the seating arrangement, this 3+2 traditional sofa is a perfect match for this area.
This is the most lively area of the property and this is my personal favorite. This room belongs to the homeowner's daughter.
This room really gives a positive vibe. The natural light coming in and the color scheme are the main elements for this. The 3-shutter wardrobe is finished with white laminate. On top of it, as you can see, moldings and stickers, which is an additional design element making it look different from the regular wardrobes. The contrasting olive green dresser beside the wardrobe is a fantastic fit for this area. Placement of the study unit is at its best. It's getting directly natural light on it. Beside the book unit, we have used different kinds of shapes, giving it a look of open and closed unit, which is not a mainstream. The master bedroom of the property is very soothing and subtle, which makes the area look spacious. If you look at the wardrobe, designer laminate with the base laminate has been used, which gives it a unique look and also tells us about the design variabilities. Coming to the bed, we have kept it simple yet elegant with this amazing printed headboard matching to the wardrobe's designer laminate. The 2 hanging lights on each side of the bed is acting as a cherry on the top. Opposite to the bed, we have planned a study table which is sleek and have some open shelves on the top. Beside the study table, what catches your eyes are these different kinds of designer knobs on the chest of drawers. The contemporary aqua theme kitchen is something different in this property. Keeping the aqua theme into consideration, the base cabinet is finished with blue laminate and for the top cabinet, white membrane shutters are adding just the right accent to the colors of the kitchen. Going a little further, these designer tiles on the dado area are just the perfect fit as a highlighter. Here is the guest bedroom of the property. Keeping the size of the room into consideration and the requirements, we have kept it a little simple. The bed and wardrobe is finished with laminate. Near to the window, you will see a window seating, which is adding an extra accent to the room. Overall look of this room is subtle. The geometric pattern wall opposite to the bed is something we can play around with different color paint and is very economical yet elegant.
Do leave your feedback, like, subscribe, and encourage us in our endeavor to create lovely and beautiful homes. Thank you.